It's a great pleasure to have you yet another well-attended press conference on the opening day of the Paris Air Show. Qatar Airways is glad to be back at Bourget. I'm delighted to announce that Qatar Airways is today placing order for a further 9 Boeing 777s, our flagship wide-body jet. I would like to thank Ray, his predecessors, and his team for starting, developing, and forging a strong relationship between Boeing and Qatar Airways.
Clearly, Qatar Airways is one of the top airlines in the world, probably, I think the only 5-star airline in the world today.
The winner of the Best Business Class Airline Lounge is Qatar Airways. With the winner of the Best Airline Staff Service Middle East being Qatar Airways.
And the world's best business class is Qatar Airways. Mr. Akbar Al Bakr, the Chief Executive, to receive the award.